Most people firmly believe that the blueprint of tomorrow is being written exclusively by household tech conglomerates like Apple or Microsoft. However, behind the absolute scenes, a silent infrastructure shift is unfolding inside heavily classified research centers, sovereign semiconductor fabs, and private robotics installations. A group of lesser known companies are engineering deep tech stacks that will fundamentally alter human biology and spatial civilization. While everyday society remains captured by infinite scrolling routine, this unified convergence of humanoid robotics and neural interfaces is advancing at a velocity humanity has never witnessed before. Watch until the absolute end, because these dark horse empires are poised to dismantle the legacy tech giants and seize complete algorithmic dominance over our world. The foundational reality of historical disruption is that the architects of systemic change rarely begin their journeys under public spotlights during legacy industrial periods. Systems like continental electricity networks, mass transit, and early cellular internet deployed across decades, granting human infrastructure ample buffer to adopt. Today, the structural velocity of technological modification is operating entirely beyond human baseline processing times. In the current fiscal phase of 2026, corporate media remains hyperfixated on retail application frameworks and product launches, while an insulated layer of advanced semiconductor networks, cognitive startups, and biodigital facilities are fabricating a parallel domain where biological networks fuse with machine ecosystems. Consider the historical trajectory of OpenAI only a brief window ago. Its organizational footprint was entirely invisible to the broader public sphere, yet its core infrastructure triggered an intense global algorithmic arms race almost overnight as OpenAI scales its latest frontier reasoning cluster. GPT 5.6 saw competing nodes like Anthropic are quietly expanding their enterprise modes with Cloud 4.8, targeting multi-step safety and autonomous alignment metrics. Concurrently, Elon Musk's xAI and Google DeepMind are executing highly distributed agentic workflows, all running directly on top of Nvidia silicon hardware layers. Nvidia, once recognized strictly for rendering real-time consumer graphics, has structurally converted into the absolute political choke point of modern civilization, acting as the singular computational gatekeeper for sovereign AI supercomputing clusters. Crucially, this system disruption is aggressively breaking out of software sandboxes and entering the physical world. Boston Dynamics and allied advanced robotics developers are engineering highly adaptive humanoid automation units capable of maneuvering through complex, unmapped industrial environments with full kinetic precision, directly substituting human motor labor across manufacturing, directly substituting human motor labor across manufacturing and heavy logistics networks simultaneously. Specialized self-driving networks and automated fulfillment systems are completely removing the human variable from global supply chains, establishing a non-human logistical pipeline that functions 24 hours a day without operational friction. The ultimate, most unsettling frontier of this macro evolution is centered inside human machine cognitive integration, spearheaded by systems like Neuralink, from early localized clinical trials into scale human deployment phases. High bandwidth brain computer interface BCI applications are rapidly transitioning from early localized clinical trials into scaled human deployment phases. Once directly spooled to silicon neural telemetry stabilizes the legacy boundary isolating biological human intelligence from synthetic cloud intelligence will be permanently dissolved as autonomous reasoning models, humanoid bipedal hardware, and quantum computing infrastructure interface simultaneously. They construct an exponential feedback loop that amplifies technical capability but threatens to economically disenfranchise any society structurally unprepared for the automation shockwave. The absolute civilization cliffhanger is set when these unlisted deep tech monopolies successfully mesh human neurological pathways with autonomous machine networks. Will traditional sovereign nations maintain structural control, or will these private intelligence cartels become the absolute rulers of the global matrix? Is human civilization truly ready to navigate this high-velocity cognitive architecture? Or are we engineering our own systemic obsolescence? Drop your insights in the comments below. Subscribe to AI Revolution. Hit the bell icon, log in all notifications, and shatter that like button to join our elite vanguard. Join the absolute frontier of the AI revolution.